Hi everybody, welcome back to Time Predicts, and this is another reading. Today I'm reading for Leo. Let's see what are the messages for December end, and I'm going to do a quick reading because a lot of signs are left. I'm going to club a few signs, and December is going to end, and I might not find time from work. So let's see, Leo. Without further ado, let's see what are your messages. I do channel messages. I get guided by my spirit guides, ascended masters, and all my archangels. So let's see what messages I can channel for you guys and what is coming for Leo. How is December going to be? Few days left. I'm going to say just 2 weeks, about 2 weeks left in December. Leo, what are the messages for you? Leos are, I don't know why I get that. Leos are already looking forward. Everybody's looking forward to 2021, but there's a jump. I got the word leap for you. I don't know what leap you want to take at work, in a job, in situation, in a relationship, but you're already ready for the leap. You're so prepared. That's another channel message that I get. You're so prepared for 2021. It's almost, you know what's going to come up for you, and you ready for it, all prepared with your armor. That 2021 is going to be like this work or whatever situation you are in. Remember, this is a general guidance, might or might not resonate, or your situation is different. Please check your sun moon rising, and so I'm just doing zodiac signs right now. So let's see, Leo, what's another message for you from the card? Show the world the real you. It's time to probably be in the spotlight. It's time to react the way you think. It's the way okay, I'm going to rephrase it. What I wanted to say with this card is show the world the real you is do not stop. Okay, I don't know why I want to say this. There is some fear that is stopping you from reacting the way that you would react normally. Yes, that's the message that I get. So don't say things in a different way just to make sure that the other person doesn't feel bad. I don't know why I want to say this, but you need to say what you really feel and you think is right for the situation. So don't if you think the situation requires harsh words or something or a different way of dealing, please do that. That's a big message that I'm getting, again and again for you guys, Leo. So there is time for you to this is a time for you to put fear in the back seat or something, and you need to drive. You need to take the front seat and drive. Or probably somebody's not be letting you have your way. You have a different thinking, and some people are letting you not do things your way. Is it in a job situation? Is it in a business? Is it in a partnership? Is it in a love situation? But you okay, the message I get is you didn't really have a free hand in it. And I think that's why probably you're all ready, because you have the confidence that I'm going to drive this whole thing. People, I've heard a lot about what people had to say, around me, and I didn't operate the way that I wanted to do things. Now it's the time that I'm going to do things the way I think they are right, and or probably what I'm saying is right. I have had enough of listening to people and letting them drive my car. Those are the messages I get. I don't know what it means in your situation. That's strange, yeah, because I don't know what situation you are in, but that's a message that you were almost in a back seat. You really wanted to drive the car, and you knew the person is going in a wrong way or taking the wrong road, and you couldn't react. I don't know why, because either you it was a boss employee situation, or in a situation, in a love situation, you didn't know if it's right to say things right now or not. You knew the relationship is not going the right way, and now you're like, I'm going to take control of this. And it is in a positive way. Okay, this is nothing negative I'm going to say. I also want to say nothing is going to come out in this situation, where whichever situation you are in, I don't know what outcome you wanted, but it's kind of, from me, the chances are lesser that the outcome will be the way you wanted it to be. I think there's a lot of hard work required in your situation. That's the message that I get. Unless you put hard work, it's going to be a situation which is not going to be really positive. Guys, I don't want to give you negative messages. It's just that I feel, yes, there was an outcome expected, and the outcome is not going to be like that. Probably though, Jan and Feb I get are a better time for the results that you really wanted from something. I don't know what it is, but Jan Feb onwards, the results will start to show. Maybe it's something new that you're doing, and it takes time to build up. Probably it's a relationship, but that's a message that I get. Just be careful in April, because April is not really a good time to put your money behind something new. Okay, April is not a good time. So if you wanted to do anything in April, I would avoid April. I don't know why I want to say this. next April, just avoid for a very big project. Otherwise, it's fine, it's smooth. I think your life will be smoother in Jan and Feb. December will be kind of a, you'll get a, it'll be hard for you in some way. I don't know why I want to say this, but 2 weeks are going to be very hectic. A lot of decisions, not getting time. You'll be scared if I'm making the right decision, wrong decision, because you'll be forced to make decisions. Remember, sometimes you want to take a stand, but the time is so less that you cannot do your groundwork, you cannot do your research, and you like, I have to do this, and it's a time constraint and nothing else. November is going to be better for you. That's what I feel. November was a good time in this year also for you, for some of you Leos. But I feel even next November is going to be a good time for you. The message I get is it takes time to settle. I don't know what it means to you in your situation, but the channel message that I get is it takes time for things to settle down. Don't get restless in your situation, okay? Because I feel you almost, sometimes want to give it up. You get too anxious about something, and you do not give it, enough time. Sometimes even if you put a seed, you need time for the plant needs. There is time, when the plant has to come out, you have to water it. There has to be sunlight. So if you put the seed, it's not that the next day you'll get the plant out or the flowers out. So I think the same message is for you in some way, that give it time, give it time. It needs time to grow. I don't know what it means, but it needs time to grow. Okay, something is going to end and a new beginning will happen. Probably it's negative thoughts in your head. So tower moment, don't get scared by the card like this. If people are falling or whatever, this fire, it is good. Tower moment means something bad is going to end. That's what I get for Leos. Something new is going to begin. It could be a new insight, could be a new relationship, it could be a new beginning with something. It could be something that wasn't really going well and you wanted to end it, but you did not know how to end it. It ends itself, out of nowhere. That situation is resolved. That's another message that I get. Your situation is going to get resolved by itself. You don't have to worry about it. That's a nice message, Leo. Let's see what are the romance angels saying. What's the love life for Leo at the end of December, holiday time? Yes, playfulness for you too. You and your loved one, or if you're flirting with someone, or if you're dating out online, or if you out there to find a mate. I think there's a lot of playfulness in your relationship. I also feel one of you is like more very childlike, very giggly, very childlike, and has a cute laughter, has a cute smile, and or the other person makes you feel like a child, young, or kind of restless, and like I'm going to say young and restless, and makes you do things, very out of the a novel, it's like a romance novel or something, and you probably tell the person you're just behaving like a kid, you're behaving like a teenager. That's another message that I get. Or probably you behave like a teenager, when you're around that person. There is new love. I told you there is a new beginning, Leo. There is a new beginning. There's a new beginning in love. There is love. I don't know if you're going to find it online. I get a lot of online. You've met somebody recently through Facebook, accepted a friend request, and you started seeing each other, but this is new energy, all together. That's what I get. And remember when I said death of a situation, something beginning. So some situation that wasn't ending will end, and there'll be a new beginning pretty fast. So maybe it was for romance, or when a relationship didn't go well, and probably you were not cutting the cord, but you will. And the moment you cut the cord, and you'll find somebody new. What are the other messages? Let's see what Archangel Gabriel wants to say to you guys. What are the messages for Leo? What are the messages for Leo? That's what I said. Look, backseat driving. I told you it is backseat driving somewhere. You really wanted to take control of that wheel. You knew the other person is going, is not doing the right thing, is going the wrong way, is overspeeding. You wanted to drive the car. It is either a project or a business. You have to have your own way. And I think you have to share something, with your boss. It could be you were scared to tell the boss that you're going the wrong way, or, this is not the way we should be doing things. This is really, or you wanted to do something your way, and your boss was always behind you, no, do it this, do it this way, and this is not right, and I think you're doing it the wrong way, and this is not the way to do it, and you should listen to me, blah 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 blah. And you were like, okay, I want to do it my way, and I'll show you results. I think you have the confidence, and you will. And I think you will take control of the wheel. I think that's the most important message, a message for Leo again and again. See this card, I've been shuffling and this card came out again. It's a very different card what it says. I read my cards very differently. So this is somebody, breathing down your neck, not letting you be, not probably somebody at work not letting you be, giving you enough freedom to work the way you want to work. I don't know why I get that. That's strange. This card came twice even after a lot of shuffling. There is prosperity, guys. December, Jan, I told you more Jan, December, and in Jan it's going to be a better time. I feel if you have one business, you're going to diversify. I feel two businesses, okay, one business coming out of the first business, or you will make so much money that you will have money for the second business. This is certainly two business. This is two business situation. The other situation that I get is you're going to get a job offer. You happy in your job, and you're going to get a job, and that's going to confuse you. That's another message that I get. Wow, Leo, not bad. You're going to get another job offer. Take care of yourselves, Leo. Nurture yourselves. Take time off is what I get. Read. I don't know if you've been not been reading lately, but this is a message for you to read if that is your favorite pastime or hobby or whatever. And invest time in self care. Okay, and pause a little. That's a message I get. Pause a little and then start again. Pause a little and then start again. I think that gives you the energy to go ahead, and I think that's how you operate. It could be I'm talking to one person, but that's how you operate. You work a lot, then you take a break, then you work a lot, then you take a break. So the spirit guides are saying, please do work, but do also take a break, and do not let anybody else decisions affect you. That's another message that I get. Okay, make your own decisions. It's time to prove your worth, time to make your own decisions. So that was the message for Leos, for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the reading, and I'll be back again soon with another reading. Do subscribe to my channel, do hit the like button like I always say, and do leave a comment in the comment section box. I always read the comments. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. See you.